audio enthusiasts. I'm just on the way back to the shop in heavy Melbourne traffic, as always. Missing Cube. Now I've just gone out to Preston and picked up a couple of old school footies. Let's go. Okay, so this is the one that we've picked up in Preston, and this is the one that's come via the post. So first things first, look at this beautiful precision power, beautiful 430i QX, fantastic little lamp. It's in great condition, really heavy too, solid little sucker, fantastic. And I don't know if anyone remembers the Jacobs AccuVolt. So this guy here is all about bringing your voltage up to between 13 to 16 volts and holding it constant. But it's only really for small systems. Not a great deal of power output on it, but really good. It's just a great little. I haven't seen one of them in years. Like, it's fantastic. Precision power. This is a phase shift. So basically, if you had subs all over the car, you could put them on different channels and you'd be able to adjust the phase of the left and the right channel and get everything in phase. So I've got a couple of these, but these are a great little unit. Owner's manual in the box. And I think there's one more. Brilliant, another one in the box. Fantastic. So I haven't opened this. This has just been picked up from the post office, and I think it's important that we go through how people package amplifiers and other electronic components to send. You'd think it's common sense, but believe me, I've received some stuff in packets with no insulation, the amplifiers bouncing around in the box. You know, it's pretty critical that we pack things well when we're going to ship them, especially if you paid decent money for things. Now, the gentleman that sent me this, I'm pretty sure he's packed them well. He sent them by courier. Looks pretty good, but let's just have a look. Lots of packing, I love it. It's not exotic, but it's done the job. Quite a heavy box, and you didn't send it by post, sent it by courier. So these are some of my favourite amps. I'll show you why shortly. That's the Alpine MRV 1005. Well, I do believe we should have here 3 1505s. Really well packaged. I'm pretty happy with that. Packed so tightly, there's nothing rattling around. Oh, fantastic. Have a look at that. Okay, 3 MRV 1505s. I am stoked. Now, I had these amplifiers in my Mitsubishi Magna in 1998. I had 2 of these powering 4 single voice coil Orion XTR3s from memory, isobaric bandpass enclosure, and I had to get these because I couldn't afford those Orion amps that I wanted, but they were fantastic. So to find these again in great condition, I'm pretty happy. These will go well with the other 1507s I've got. A little electronic crossover as well, and the 1005. Super excited. Anyway, the point of the exercise is to basically say, when you're packing things, make sure you pack them out. One of the things I like to do is use a pool noodle and pack it around the outside of the amplifier so you don't damage the heatsink. But it was really well packaged, so very much appreciated to the gentleman that sent me those. Fantastic. Anyway, stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.